YouTube. Don't mind my voice. I'm sick as a dog and have been for the past 4 days. But as you can see, the 69 F100 is running and driving and stopping. And everything is working as it should. Did some little preliminary tests, and the twin stick works good. I'm in 2-wheel drive high right now. The 6R80 shifts perfectly. The Coyote is running great. Dash and everything's working good. Radio works good. Everything that should work works. The alignment is pretty much as dead on as you're going to get for a 69 F100. You'll always get that little bit of side-to-side wander with a stock style steering setup, but this thing is, I mean, everything's new on it, but still, even with everything new, you usually feel a little bit more than this. And this feels pretty damn good. She's got a lot of get up and go too. I'm still just making sure everything works before I really lay into it. We've got to put, it's got 10 miles. We have 10.7 miles on this build. We have to put 200 on it, so it's ready for Barrett-Jackson. It is getting picked up tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing a lot of driving today in between cars. And it's going to get a photo shoot. It's already got its Barrett-Jackson pictures, but now that those are up, we can do private ones. And it's going somewhere real nice to get some private pictures taken. But everything seems to be going absolutely perfectly. Fingers crossed. You always find little things. I haven't heard a single rattle out of this truck yet. I haven't had a single hiccup drivetrain-wise. No misses, no slipping, no grinding, no vibrations. Had it up to 60 already. It's actually very controllable at 60. So most of these big old trucks aren't. They kind of float all over the place. But this one does pretty good. We're sitting right at 195 at thermostat temp. We've got a 1/4 tank of gas. We've got 30 pounds of oil pressure at idle warm. And we're listening to a little Dave and Chuck the Freak. So I'm going to do some test driving. And I'll let you know how it goes.